Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got another great recipe for you today. This is a tried and true Southern favorite. It makes for a great picnic side, or if you're having a barbecue, you're gathered around the pool, and you got a big spread going on with your friends and family. It's a Vidalia onion dip. And Vidalia onions are, well, to me, they're the best onions in the world. And we're in season right now, so we're going to make sure to take advantage of that. And in a big skillet on the stovetop, I've got a Vidalia onion going right here. I've been cooking it in butter for a few minutes, softening it up, and it looks like it's ready for me to add the garlic. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic that I've just minced. And now garlic burns, so that's going in last. You want to cook your onions first and do the onions, add the garlic in when you're just about ready, because that stuff will burn up pretty quick. And so this is looking and smelling real good. That's butter, obviously. Butter, Vidalia onion, and now my 2 cloves of garlic. And in a large bowl right over here, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off because I think it looks great. In a large bowl right here, I'm going to go ahead and combine some Monterey Jack cheese.
You may want to chop up that pasta just a little.
Yeah, I'll probably tear it.
I tend to wait.
Yeah, it's chunky. Some Parmesan cheese, a whole bag of it. May I have that spatch back? Some mayonnaise. Dijon mustard. Give it that little kick. Also like to add a little Dijon to my tuna fish or chicken salad, whatever. Works real well and all that stuff. I've got cream cheese that's softened. Had it kind of sitting outside. Summertime in Savannah, you can just use your outdoors as your cream cheese softener. Works better than sitting on the countertop. Get these combined a little bit, and now go ahead and add in our parsley. Teresa just said you might want to chop it, and she's right, I was going to tear it, but that's some chunky parsley. I'm going to put a knife to it real quick. Beautiful. This will give it a little green pop in color. I know that you are all having gatherings right now. We certainly are. We're having play dates and stuff, families, moms and dads with their kids coming over, and we're outside eating and making food. We just did burgers out by the pool a couple days ago. I don't know if the kids would go for a Vidalia onion dip or not. They might, but their palates are a little different than ours when they're little. All right, some parsley. And finally, I'll add in our cream cheese that's nice and soft. And we'll just combine it all together with the spoon. Okay, that looks good enough to add our onion and garlic mixture. Don't want to waste any of that onion, so I want to get every bit that I can. That garlic is just beginning to, I'm getting the notes of it. Didn't burn it, you know. Garlic is just more delicate on the stovetop than onions. Onions are they can take it a little more. All right, so let's combine this all up. Yeah, that onion is hot and it's hitting that cream cheese, and I've got a, woo-wee, man. I feel like I could kind of, my mouth's watering. I feel like I kind of just take a spoon to it the way it is, but this is not complete. We've got another step or two here. So in a casserole dish, I've got a shallow casserole dish over here. Just going to spoon it right on in. I hope that casserole dish is big enough to handle this. I think it is. kind of a shallow dish, but that's how you want your dips to present anyway. Don't want to have to go forearm deep to get down to it. Okay. I think it's perfect. So we'll just make sure that it's spread all throughout the dish here. And if you see chunks of cream cheese, make sure to sort of spread it out. Make sure it joins the party all over the place. You don't want it to be in just one spot. Yeah, that looks great. Now, there are different things to top this with. But today, because you could get really creative with this and do whatever you like. But today, I'm going to top it with pecans. I'm a Georgia boy. Yeah, now that was the perfect dish for this recipe. Looks so good. Top it with pecans. Ooh, ooh. Make sure they're just get some good coverage here. And we're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven. I'll probably let this go for about 20 minutes. And then we'll check on it. So what we'll do now is just take a short break while I pop it into the oven. And we'll come right back for the reveal and the taste. So see you in just a few minutes. After about 25 minutes in the oven, our Vidalia onion dip has come out and it looks so good. And I've got some crackers here for tasting. So let's see how it spoons out. Ooh. That's, oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. So light. Oh boy. Super hot too, by the way. So I best be careful. I'm gonna take a baby bite and tell y'all how it is. Delectable is the word. You know what would add to this too? Be some crumbled bacon inside. You could do that. There's no rules. Yeah. Or you could use like these buttery crackers that I have right here on the plate. You could also use them as a topping. But the pecans are a nice touch. This is a great dip. It'll be a super side for your next party. Or if you're so inclined, it'll be a great meal for just yourself when nobody's looking. It's really, really good. And I think you'll like it. 'Tis the season for Vidalia onion. So go get yourself some and make a Vidalia onion dip. See you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.